Hey everyone, so I'm super excited because I just got a couple of new things in and you're seeing them for the first time, all right? So this is super exciting. I have right here, and you saw on my little teaser, I earned something for free from 31, and it is this guy right here, the trunk organizer. Oh my gosh, let's check this thing out. Let's look at all the features. Okay, so we've got the mesh pockets on the sides, so that's gonna hold, I'm thinking like cords and chargers and little things like that. Thinking of things that would typically otherwise be floating all around your trunk, all around your car, being a big mess, all right? Now, as far as handles, we have this one handle here, but not on, oh wait, no, there's two handles, sorry. Handles here, which make it really easy to pick up and put away. Now, check this out. All right, so what's inside? First of all, this opens up, and you have the Velcro. Hi, Inez. You have the Velcro here, so you can see that. And let me show you what's inside. So I'm going to take these guys out. This is so cool, you guys. 31 is always coming up with these new and innovative, super useful things, and I love it. So what we have in here, this is going to be actually really practical. I love the size of it. I love the shape of it. This is fabulous. It also comes in a solid charcoal if you're kind of thinking like gift ideas for the guys. But look at this. Okay, so you see this. This is typically what we see with our inserts for the large utility tote. But I'm going to show you, so technically we could stick this on the inside of a large utility tote. But on the trunk organizer, the grommets are on the end. So I try to get my little tray here so that I could stand this up and do this in front of you guys. But of course it's still a little awkward when you're trying to do anything live. Give me a shout out if you've been awkward before, because I'm awkward all the time. All right, so this is my first time trying this, so I'm hoping I'm doing this right. So check this out. This is cool. Okay, so what we've essentially done is we've lengthened it by clipping. Can you guys see what I did there? I just put that right through the grommets and I clipped it. So now we have an additional compartment at the end of our trunk organizer. Super cool. Gonna blow your mind even more. Okay, so this is the other guy that comes with, and yes, it is a thermal, and yes, it is leak lock. Anytime we see that white lining, you'll see that in our roundabout coolers, you'll see that in our Fresh Market thermal. This means that it is leak lock lining, meaning you can put the ice directly in and it's not going to leak out. Now, why would you put ice directly in here? I probably wouldn't. But what I probably would use this for would be frozen food at the grocery store. The same thing I would use same thing I would use the Fresh Market thermal for. So I'm going to go ahead and zip this on up. Zip it on up. Come on. It's got a nice little handle. And we have the little, what do you call this? Strap and snap. So I'm going to go ahead and it's even more awkward now that there's something else on the other side. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to strap that on through, just like so, through the grommets. And again, if you have a stand tall insert, it's the same exact process. All right, so I'm sticking that through. Sorry if that's right in front of your face there. I'm going to make sure that it isn't twisted. It's a little twisted here. I'm going to fix that. There we go. All right, like I said, first time doing this. So now I've lengthened it the other way, but with a thermal on the end. So cool. Now, I would say that this feels like about the length of maybe a medium utility tote. I would say not quite the large utility tote, but I'll show you what it looks like. Let me turn it this way. So it's wide open. So this is where you're going to be able to put all of your trunk junk. Yes, that's right. You can even personalize it, trunk junk. It personalizes right here on this flap. Let me show you. It will personalize right here. Super, super cute. And it's kind of getting floppy because of the way that I'm holding it. But you guys get the idea. Let me grab it by the handles. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. So thermal, additional compartment. You can see it's quite large. I'm knocking things over. This is absolutely going to be your solution for the trunk. You can leave it closed. I'm thinking that I would want to have this open and put my grocery bags back here so that things aren't falling out all over the trunk and spilling and causing a big old mess, right? And then your cold stuff, your frozen stuff, you can put in here. I'm even thinking if I go to get ice cream for the family, I can take that. I can put the ice cream in there. What's really great is you keep this in your car, you keep this in your trunk, so no forgetting it. No, oh shoot, I don't have a thermal in the car, because you do. And if you real quick, easy, need to just run in somewhere, you need to run in and grab some beverages, know what I'm saying? This is going to be perfect for that. So, let me tell you, and it also fits in here. Both of those items fit right inside. So if you didn't want them clipped, if you just wanted them inside, like that, and you wanted to close it on up, you can. So I guess the idea is you can have it longer, you can have it shorter, totally up to you, but either way, it is fantastic, super functional. This right here is one of the items that we have in our catalog under the Insider Exclusives. Now, don't freak out when I say Insider Exclusives. It is super easy. You can unlock this guy with a $200 shopping link. So for a lot of my friends here, that looks like a Facebook social, that looks like a texting party, that looks like a shop and scroll link. Those are all super easy. I take care of all the heavy lifting for you and make it real easy for you to score these free products. Now, what's really awesome is during the month of September, you can get a free exclusive with a $1,000 party, which I can make that happen, you guys, okay? So if I have insiders wanting to hit that $1,000 level, we will work on that together. I have some tried and true strategies, or we will get this for you for free. So during the month of September, free exclusive. Now, by the way, free exclusive, that also includes our rolling luggage, the large or the small. I just snagged the small hard case luggage in the cotton candy pink with my daughter's name on it, of course. Which meant I had to get my son one as well with his name on it. But anyway, we have some really, really great exclusives this season, and why not get it for free, right? I'm all about free. Plus, when you're hitting that $1,000 level, you're getting a $300 shopping spree. Half price items, you're getting hooked up with free stuff, all right? Let's talk about holiday shopping coming up, right? I know it's September, but we got October happening. We're like roaring right into fall. October for a lot of people is when they really start hardcore Christmas shopping. And then of course we're doing that in November. So it's all gonna start happening super fast. So for those of us who are planners, I know I've got some of you messaging me about Gift and Organize Club that you want to join, and that's super fun. We're already starting to fill up. That is where you get to shop a little bit each month, and you get hooked up with surprises every month and little sneak peeks from me and exclusive text club, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, hit me up. But the other item I want to show you is not a Hostess exclusive. This is the Grab and Go Caddy, which I'm pretty sure is one of our most popular items, aside from our new purses, this season. And let me show you why. So this thing is super cool. This is like the Double Duty Caddy 2.0. I know a lot of us were using those Double Duty Caddies as drink caddies. Where are my teachers at? You know we need our million drinks. let me show up to work in the morning. I know for me, sometimes I laugh at myself, but literally, I need my water. I need my smoothie. I'm going to need my coffee, obviously. And sometimes I have like a little energy drink or something else for like later. So that could be up to 4 beverages that I am bringing to work. So again, if I have teachers, if I have other full-time working mamas, let me know I'm not the only one, okay? But anyway, so this is an awesome solution. And when you get this, it gives you a little card to kind of show you the different ways that you can configure this caddy. So I went ahead and I made it for drinks, okay? You can see I put all different size cups. I put different size cups. I had 4 cups in there. I will share more photos. I know that you all were loving this today when I shared it as a craft caddy. I know I've seen people using it for fast food. I don't know about you, but we go through the drive-thru a lot. And I hate when stuff is spilling and it's a mess and I only have 2 cup holders, right? So this is super, super handy to just go ahead and as they're handing you those drinks, to just load up that caddy. Super easy. This is going to be great again for work. It's going to be great for the ball fields. It is going to be great for those sports mamas. And I mean, it's going to be great for tailgating, okay? Like 6 drinks. It's going to be great by the pool. Can you imagine? Like, so fun. All right. So the handle is actually, it's kind of cushy. And I just noticed that this is Velcro, so it comes off if you don't want the handle. But one complaint that I would hear sometimes about the double duty caddy is that it was a little flimsy when you went to pick up the caddy with a lot of stuff in it. This is like super secure and super solid. It's like, boop, picks up real easy. Inez, will it be there in October? Yes, so this is in our core catalog for fall. I think you were asking me about this, or maybe the trunk organizer, but the answer is yes on both. Core catalog goes until December. This guy comes in a couple of different colors. Now, I have not played around with how to configure it the other way, but let's reconfigure, shall we? Let's see. It says to use as a divided caddy, fold down cup holder panel. Unfold compartment dividers and attach to central caddy wall. Well, let's see if I can figure this out, guys. I don't know. I don't know if I can. Maybe it happens on the other side. Oh, yes. Here we go. I see it now. I see it now. Okay. So this is cool. So here we have, oh, this is so awesome, you guys. So here we have this guy, and basically it was just like folded flat like that, and it comes out. It comes out and it goes, Velcros right just like that. Now it is only on that one side, so on the other side you would continue to have your drinks. So drinks here, and then you would have your divided caddy here. So this is where we're going to find that it'll be really helpful for fast food, whether we're putting like little things of chicken nuggets or what have you. We can also just keep that flat and we can have it open to stick the whole bag of food or stick burgers in there, whatever works for you. And then again, the drinks are, oops, I didn't stick it very well. The drinks are going to be on that side for you. So pretty cool, pretty darn versatile. Again, I know several of you were loving this for crafting. My friend Lori uses it for her scrapbooking. That was actually the first thing she thought of when we were at the expo at our conference. She was like, I'm using that for scrapbooking. I was like, never would have thought of that because I'm not a scrapbooker. I really love this for outdoor activities as well, for camping, for picnics, for, oh my gosh, I'm just thinking like in the dorms, you can put like your personal items in, or maybe take that drink part off and just have it as a caddy. Even for new moms, diaper changing caddy. You got the butt paste, you got I'm trying to think. It's been a while since I've changed diapers. But you've got like the diapers and wipes over here and all the things, right? The possibilities are endless. I am in love, and I'm just gonna be organized on the go now, okay? Like, I'm excited about it. One more thing, you guys. This month, I actually just got done placing my order for the holiday items. Those items are gonna launch October 1st. Consultants get to shop those items right now, early, for 40% off. So it is a really great time to become a consultant, to get started. Think about how you're going to pay for Christmas. Think about if you are wanting a debt-free Christmas and you're wanting to have a little bit of fun this season. This is really the best time to become a consultant because, again, we're right up on that holiday shopping time. Tons of new things to share. And if you join this month, you get a shop the holiday collection early, 40% off. So just saying. All right, you guys, I'm going to hop off. I'm going to check the rest of the comments after because I can't quite see them all right now. But I'll see you guys later.